I'm gonna just frost my edges after that so it's not like that.
Edges.
Hey guys, it's Galaxy Girl and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a vlog for you guys because I, at the age of 19, have never made a gingerbread house. So today I'm gonna be vlogging with my best friend and we're gonna be making this gingerbread house and a gingerbread village, so I'm so excited. I still gotta put on my lashes. That's why I'm looking a little incomplete. I was gonna like vlog putting on my lashes, but they're already mostly on, but I kind of want to reglue this one because it just looks super weird. It's like not like, I feel like it's like too high above my actual lash line. How cute she looks. Your little Barbie vibes, like, you look good.
Thank you.
That's hella cute. I don't know, you think I should reglue this one or you think I should just like leave it for now? Because it's not horrible.
Oh no, it looks good. Oh. It doesn't look bad.
Honestly, I'm feeling really lazy. Like, I probably should fix it, and I probably will after we get back from Walmart, but I don't need to look good for nobody at Walmart, so it's all good. Okay, so we're almost at Walmart. You know, it only took like, actually it was a really fast trip. Like,
It probably took like 20 minutes.
Right? Pulling up. Like I said, I'm just not used to vlogging. This is how they do it.
This is how they do it. I know, my feet look awkward, my legs look awkward.
Gonna get some holiday candy and we're gonna put these on our village or like around our village as little bushes. All these candy canes, they don't have any mini ones. Oh wait, they do right here. Okay, so we have all the stuff now, but I have to go and have like a family lunch, I guess. It was supposed to be a family dinner later on, but it turned into a family lunch, so I'm gonna go do that and then I'm gonna get back and then I'm gonna start vlogging again. We're gonna do all of the gingerbread house making and stuff. So.
All the festivities.
Right. Hey guys, okay, I'm back at Caleigha's. It's been like 3 hours, but we're here. I am done with my dinner. Well, it was supposed to be a lunch, but I'm super fucking full and I'm very excited for this. Like, let me show you the little boxes and like the little kits that we have. Let's set y'all up right here. I was having so much trouble setting this up earlier today. Like, when I was trying to do my lashes, I was like, why is this so difficult? It was just not standing up. Okay. Oh. Okay, it's fine. This is fine. So, the first thing that we have is this little gingerbread village. I'm showing them the little boxes. But yeah, wait, you gonna show them the other one? Because I haven't shown them this one yet. Okay. I'm gonna give it to you all sneaky so you can reveal it.
This one's so cute because it has little like
Show
people. It has like, it's a basic gingerbread house with like some people in it and it's so cute.
And we have the village. Like, we have a bunch of little houses. It's gonna be all around. Somebody commented we need 4K quality and I've gotta just like that button so I can make some money and buy a new camera. We're really gonna make a whole aspect out of this. Like, we're really going in, okay? This is
gonna be next level gingerbread stuff, like,
because I've never done it. This is so new to me. Like, I'm so excited. Our wax paper is set up. We got our workspace prepped.
this is gonna take so much time.
Yeah, but it's going to be amazing.
You think we should do the house first or the village first?
I think village will be easier because it's smaller.
True.
So I feel like that looks so cool.
We have to like warm this up with our hands.
Just massage it.
Yeah.
I'm fucking dead.
So this says do not put in the microwave.
Okay, so we're almost done sorting out the candy.
The only thing I don't like is that we have to like break everything carefully because each one is a village of its own.
I'm so excited. Watch me drop this.
I know. Well, at least we have a bunch more.
Right, but let me not do that. Okay.
I wonder what this piece is for because I'm about to cut it off.
It's not working for me. So...
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Do you want me to do it? No.
Let me try.
I don't do that good anyway, so like.
Okay, this is not too bad. It's just the bottom of my thing.
You can cover it with icing and it's all good.
Because it'll be fine. I'm just like, it's to be perfect. Okay, so I feel like for my first time, this is not so bad. Like, yeah, the front got a little messed up, but it's gonna be okay once we put it all together. Okay, it's gonna be my first time. It's gonna.
It's gonna.
I can't even talk. Okay.
Oh, you should flip it the other way. Oh, actually, no. It's easier to paint it on that way.
Okay. Okay, go crazy.
Go crazy.
Okay. Okay. Okay, talk your shit then. Yup.
That's good.
Hey. Hold on.
Okay.
Finessing it. Let me not get too cocky. I did it.
Woo.
Baker vibes. Just. Okay, I'm done. Go crazy.
Dang, I feel like your hands like, I think helped warm it up.
I was squeezing that shit, bro.
Hold on, I'm about to like try and like glue mine
Oh yeah.
back together. Wait, do you think that's the right way? Yeah.
Yeah, I think it is.
Okay, so we've gotten pretty far.
We have a hole in our frosting and our frosting.
And our frosting.
Our frustrating frosting.
Here we go.
Yeah.
But the decorations look good. Karina's look amazing.
Thank you. Other than these fucking windows.
There's some of mine. That one looks cute. Look, and it's gingerbread color. Haha.
We gotta finesse this. A little bit of cardboard. Because apparently this teepee was like made incorrectly.
Yeah, or we made it incorrectly.
Ooh, you really finessed it. Okay. Come
Right?
through cardboard. So, about to finally put my first house together. Hope all my hard work pays off, because if I fuck it up now, I'm really fucking sad. So, let's see what happens.
You got this.
I got this. I got this. How do I do this?
Let's do this.
Let's go! Oh my god. Okay. I hope it doesn't like tilt weirdly just because I'm like missing some. Okay. I'm gonna use this knife. Oh wait, I feel like it's not. I feel like my head's like cut off. Okay. This is better. You guys can't see what I'm doing, but at least you can see my face. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell, jingle.
I mean, if you moved it from like an angle, would that be okay? Like over here? Because then couldn't you get more of everything?
I'm open to suggestions.
I'm just trying. Hold on.
Oh, you can see what I'm doing too, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you, Caleigha. Shout out Caleigha. Follow her on Instagram. She's about to start building her profile, so tap in with her. She's super cute, as you guys can see in this whole video. But
This is so cute.
it really is. It's gonna be bomb. Okay. What's the puzzle?
I'm gonna start building some other ones too, because we can both build at the same time.
Did I do this properly, or should I have done it like?
Like technically, they're supposed to be like this.
Okay, so I should redo it then.
Yeah, but it's okay.
Okay, first attempt, not the best attempt, but it's okay.
But it's a attempt.
Right? Okay, so this is the side that was supposed to be, I almost said buttered. Frosted. And then I'm gonna just frost my edges after that so it's not like that. so, I'm fucking dead. That's just hella funny. Oh my god, we got all the knives in here.
For real, okay, let me move this one.
Yeah. At least we're doing this. We're probably not going to do the second one today, but if you guys want to see that in another vlog, let us know. It's just, this is like...
Longer than she anticipated.
No, it's not that bad. It's just like, I feel like after this is done, I'm not going to want to do it anymore, so... At least not like right away. So I feel like taking a little break and doing the other big house later would be good. I'm not trying to get burnt out. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm about to get like fucking scoliosis from this video, bro. Hold on.
Ooh, and we're having shrimp tacos after this.
Oh, we are. It's gonna be so good.
Oh my god, I hope you can eat, because I can eat from like probably.
Bro, I couldn't eat. I didn't eat like that much, and I didn't get to have dessert.
Damn, you should have tried. Oh yeah. Well,
I mean, like, I just wasn't trying to overflow myself because I thought I was gonna have dessert, so I tried to save myself room for dessert, and then we didn't have dessert, so I was like, damn, I just saved extra room for nothing. Like,
it'd be like that.
shit. Bruh, all that decorating, all that work, everything's falling off. I got like the leaning tower of gingerbread. Like, what the fuck? Why is it looking like that? You know, we had a good start.
At least we have mine.
I don't know about this execution though. Like, at least hers came out cute. Like, okay, those look good.
Try.
What the fuck happened? Yeah, I'm kind of sad. I'm not gonna lie. Look at my side one in the back. Caleigha tried to kind of finesse it, but it's still looking a little rough. It looked like that one got hit by a tornado. But the rest of these came out so cute. This one's mine too. Caleigha just helped me put the roof on, so
but
this one didn't get fucked up.
It looks amazing.
Right, got my little windows, everything looking cute. Got it going on. We're probably gonna put some more decorations tomorrow, but for now, we're done. We're done. Alright guys, I think that is where we're gonna wrap it up because I don't think we're gonna do much else to it tonight. We had all these like big grandiose plants of fences and things, and I'm tired. So we got a little village
here though. It might be because of me.
Yeah, so if she decides to just like do this
at 4 a.m. or something crazy,
then I will insert a clip of what that looks like. But I hope you guys enjoy this. If you guys want to see another gingerbread rock. But yeah, if you guys want another gingerbread house vlog or something similar, we still have that, so let me know down below in the comments, and just let me know what you guys want to see in general. Love you guys so much, and we'll see you guys next time.